Hello, welcome to another video in solving fluid mechanics problem. For today's video, we're gonna solve for the water flow in the pipes. So our sample problem goes like this. A 60-meter diameter pipeline is 13 meter long, carries 0.4 cubic meter per second. Compute the head loss using the Manning's formula. N is equal to 0.013. So here's our given values. Diameter is equal to 60 meter. The length of the pipe, which is 30 meters. The value of our flow rate, 0.4 cubic meter per second. And lastly is the N, which is 0.013. So we're gonna use the Manning's formula in getting the head loss. So head loss is equal to 10.29 multiplied by the N squared times the length of the pipe times the flow rate raised to 2 all over the diameter of the pipe raised to 16 over 3. We simply substitute the value. So we have head loss is equal to 10.29 multiplied by 0.013 squared times 30 multiplied by 0.4 raised to 2 all over 0.60 raised to 16 over 3. So we have a final value of the head loss, which is 0.127 meters.